you're looking for remote access software that actually delivers, you might want to check out Splashtop, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dig into what it offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Splashtop is a remote access software designed to let you connect to your computer from anywhere, whether it's for work, gaming, or personal use. Right off the bat, the user interface is pretty straightforward. You can access your desktop files and applications as if you were sitting right in front of it. What's interesting is that it supports a variety of platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, which is great for users who need flexibility across devices. However, while it's designed for both individuals and businesses, I noticed that some features, like remote printing and file transfer, aren't as intuitive as they could be. If you're a beginner, you might find yourself fumbling around a bit. Also, the level of support information available could be more comprehensive. It feels like there's a lot of potential here, but is not fully realized in terms of clarity and guidance. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Splashtop offers a solid connection speed and reliability, which is crucial for remote work. The pricing is also competitive, especially for teams, making it an attractive option for small businesses. But there are some drawbacks. Some users report issues with installation and setup, which could be frustrating if you're not tech savvy. Additionally, while the core functions work well, I felt some advanced features were lacking, like multi-monitor support, which could be a deal breaker for some. And let's not ignore trust concerns. While Splashtop has a decent reputation, it's worth doing your due diligence, especially if you're handling sensitive data remotely. Overall, it may not be the best fit for everyone, particularly those who require a more robust tool. In conclusion, Splashtop is a solid choice for individuals and small businesses looking for remote access software, especially if you prioritize speed and affordability. However, if you need advanced features or a more intuitive setup process, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth trying out, but just be aware of its limitations.